Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In this part, we will be focusing on its next feature, which is customizing print formats. For more features, check out the videos linked in the description below. Print formats. TaxTron Web now allows you to customize your print formats according to your preference. You can include or exclude specific forms and rearrange document sequences. This applies to T1, T2, and T3 returns, regardless of the tax year. To begin, log into your TaxTron Web account. Navigate to the Profiles section under your email address. Then, select the Customize menu option. And go to the Print Formats tab. Now, choose the specific product and tax year for which you want to customize the print format. Here, you have two options. You can either create a new print format or duplicate an existing one, customizing it to match your requirements. For example, let's include an invoice in the default client copy print format. To do this, select Client Copy from the Print Format drop-down menu and click on the Copy Print Format button. Next, a new window will appear, allowing you to name the new print format. Once you've named it, click the Save Print Format button. After that, refresh your browser and select the print format that you just saved. Now, you can make the changes and can create this print format as per your requirement. To add invoice of tax return, scroll down and search for the Bill form. Select it and specify the printing option under the Print Option column. You have three options: Never, if selected, or Always. Choose the one that suits your needs. And click Add Form. You can also adjust the sequence of forms by dragging and rearranging them according to your preference. For example, let's move the invoice to the top. To save your changes, click the Save Print Format button at the bottom of the page, and then click Close to exit the current print format. Let's print the customized client copy. Open any return and print the custom client copy. As you can see, the invoice has been added and now appears first before the client letter and tax summary. This is how you can customize any current print format according to your needs. Let's move on to next section where we are creating our own new print format. Click on the New Print Format button. You'll see a field labeled Print Format Name, where you can enter a unique name for your custom print format. Next, access the drop-down menu to select the specific forms you want to add to your custom print format. For each form, choose the appropriate print option setting. To add a form to your print format, simply click Add Form. After adding all the necessary forms, you can adjust their sequence as needed. To save your changes, click Save Print Format at the bottom of the page. And then close the print format. Finally, let's check the new print format by printing a PDF. Your custom print format will reflect the sequence you've selected during customization. That concludes our tutorial on customizing print formats in TaxTron. We hope this guide helps you customize your tax documents as needed. Thank you.
That's